In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to use the browser extension to save links and ideas to your inbox. Start by going to Trello and logging into your account. Make sure you're signed in before using the browser extension, because that's what connects the saved page directly to your Trello workspace. Once you're in, you can leave Trello open in a tab or just stay logged in and move on to the page you want to save. Next, open the web page you want to save to your Trello inbox. This can be an article, a resource, a product page, or really any page you want to capture for later. The browser extension is useful here because it lets you save ideas while you're in the middle of browsing, without having to manually copy and paste links into Trello. Now click the Trello browser extension icon in your browser toolbar. After you click it, give it a moment to load. Depending on your browser or internet speed, it may take a second before the save window appears. Once it opens, you'll be able to review what's being sent to Trello. At this point, you can also add a comment. This is a great way to include a quick note about why you're saving the page, what stood out to you, or what you want to do with it later. Just type the comment you want into the comment field, then click Add Comment. This helps turn a simple saved link into something more useful, especially if you come back to it days or weeks later and want to remember the context. After that, click the Trello Inbox option in the extension. This sends the saved page to your inbox so it doesn't get lost. Your inbox is a helpful place for collecting links, ideas, and notes quickly before you sort them into the right board or workflow later. Once you click that, Trello will open and take you to your workspace. There, you'll see the saved page, and your idea has been captured in your inbox. If you added a comment, that note should be attached as well, giving you extra context right away. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's all there is to it. The main advantage of using the browser extension is speed. You can save something the moment you find it, instead of telling yourself you'll come back later and then forgetting. If you use Trello to organize research, inspiration, tasks, or content ideas,